I want to welcome everyone to my podcast, The Biology of Belongings. And again, thank you for coming today. In this episode, we'll look at how our social surroundings and biology both influence our mental health. Knowing these factors make it easier to understand why mental health issues arise and how social workers can assist clients through a biopsychosocial whole person approach. I believe that sometimes we overlook the extent to which the body affects the mind. Clients frequently believe that their symptoms are personal shortcomings, although biology is actually a major factor. Let's start with biology. Emotions and ideas are simply one aspect of mental health. There is a close relationship between mental health and bodily process. Genetics is a significant biological determinant. According to research by Rames, Mendez, and Templeton, 2021, some genetic patterns can make people more susceptible to disorders like anxiety and depression. I observed in practice that clients feel relieved, like it finally makes sense when they learn about the biological aspect of mental health. Although a person's stress reaction and brain chemistry might differ from those of someone without that genetic predisposition, this does not imply that they are doomed to develop a condition. Chronic stress and its effects on the immune system are another significant psychological aspect. Long-term elevation of stress hormones causes sleep disturbance, increases inflammation, and interferes with mood control. To be honest, a lot of us are always under stress without even realizing it. Our body wasn't meant to be in a fight or flight mode all day. According to Hager 2023, long-term stress can exacerbate mental health symptoms and reduce the effectiveness of treatment since the body remains hypervigilant. The environment and biology are always interacting, and occasionally this contact presents clients with new difficulties. Now let's move on the social aspects. The environments in which people live, work, and interact are known as social determinants, and they have a significant impact on mental health. This is the point at which social work becomes crucial. We examined the client's world rather than merely their symptoms. Social isolation is one important factor. According to Mao, 2021, those who don't have social support following significant life transitions or crises are more likely to struggle with coping, anxiety, and depression. Because humans are wired for connection, mental health frequently deteriorates when that connection is lacking. Environmental pressures and poverty are additional factors. According to NAFRGAN 2023, reduced financial hardships and unstable housing all contribute to chronic stress and limit access to care. Long-term resilience and general functioning are shaped by this stress, which have an impact on both physical and mental health. It's evident. It is evident why a biopsychosocial approach is crucial when we include both biological and social variables. The brain must also be taken into account in order to fully comprehend mental wellness. Fear and emotional reactions are significantly influenced by the amygdala. The amygdala can become overactive in people who have experienced trauma or long term stress, making ordinary events seem dangerous. The prefrontal cortex, which is in charge of making decisions and controlling emotions, will find it difficult to keep up. Mental health is also influenced by neurotransmitters, while dopamine influences motivation and reward. Serotonin helps control mood and sleeps. Mental health problems may manifest or worsen when these substances become out of balance as a result of environmental causes, stress, or genetics. This is yet another illustration of the intricate interactions between biology and the environment. Interventions that take into account both biological and social factors are essential for social workers. Mindfulness based cognitive therapy, MBCT, is one successful approach. MBCT calms the nervous system and aids clients in understanding their cognitive patterns, while the cognitive components assist clients in confronting negative thoughts influenced by social pressures. The mindfulness component lowers stress hormones and promotes bodily homeostasis. Because of this combination, MBCT is particularly beneficial for individuals who are struggling with depression, chronic stress, or trauma. Why this knowledge matters in social work. Comprehending biological and social causes is not too merely intellectual. It has a direct impact on our ability to assist customers. It enables us to see that symptoms are more than just poor coping or behavior problems. They frequently arise from biological vulnerabilities coupled with social stressors such as discrimination, poverty, or isolation. Our advocacy is further strained by this understanding. We can advocate for improved regulations, more easily accessible services, and more robust community support when we can clarify how long-term stress impacts the brain or how social circumstances exacerbate biological hazards. Most significantly, this acknowledge enables us to accurately, compassionately, and holistically meet people where they are. Thank you for spending this time with me. Mental health is shaped by many interconnect factors. Mental health is always a result of confluence of lived experience, environment, and biology. And when we understand those influences, we are better equipped to support ourselves, our clients, and our communities. A biopsychosocial approach reminds us that healing happens when we address the whole person. mind, body, and environment. Our ability to assist our clients and communities will improve as we get a deeper understanding of these relationships. Thank you.